I'm so pleased with my new kitchen from Harvey Norman Renovations and designed by Emily Newman. It's so delightful to sit here with a lovely new kitchen and overlooking the gardens. Everything works beautifully and I'm so grateful. Emily's done a great job. Lovely new oven, plenty of space in the fridge and the cupboard. This is the food cupboard. Lots of food for visitors. And the fridge, plenty of space here. It's a Mitsubishi fridge full of healthy food. And an enormous freezer. And a new oven with a lovely tea towel from Karen Hutchings. And dinner set from Woolworths, 50 cents a piece. New toaster, old kettle. And tea towel from my friend Maria in England. And look at the lovely view, but it's a bit cloudy today. Microwave from Kogan to replace the old one which got rusty. And my wonderful coffee machine put together by my friends Stephanie Frickbird's husband. And I've got cappuccino at the press of a button. And lots of room for pots and pans and things here. Cups galore. And what else have we got? Oh yes, very high cupboards for all the best china. All in all, I'm very happy.